My name is Sai Kaustuv Das Gupta. I am a 90% physically disabled, confined into a wheelchair, suffering from a very rare brittle bone disease called osteogenesis imperfecta. Due to 50 plus fractures, all my body parts are fully fixed. My back, my hands, my legs, hip joints, elbow, everything, shoulder also. So I cannot do anything help myself because my hands are not going towards my face. I cannot eat on my own. I cannot drink water on my own. To the extent, if any itching or sensitization thing is happening in your face, so I found a easy method, a very easy solution to get a wooden piece and made the point very soft so that you can easily itch like this. If any, for example, mosquito biting here or any sensitizing happening here, you can easily do like this with the simple wooden stick which you can carry, and it's simple to hold. Because my hands are fixed, not mobile, so I use this very small stick to do my itching and all easily without calling anyone. Thank you.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.